everybody, welcome to Clark's Place. Today we have an Azdome camera that I'm going to run in my Jeep from now on because I've got a little cheapy one and this one's going to fit and do great.
Yes.
You love it, don't you?
Yeah, I've never had one quite so good. Wide angle lens, you're going to explain all the stuff?
Yeah, well, let's unbox it.
Okay.
Alright, this M17 Pro dash cam is going to go in my Jeep. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Looks like the camera.
Yep. Nice.
Yeah, I think it said it's 3K in the front and then 1080p on the back. So we got some cleaning wipes, step 1, 2, some little tabs to hold your wires, and I'm getting eaten alive by a monster bee. There's your USB charger. And I'm unsure about this little buddy. Oh, it's an extra one of these. So when this falls off your dash, you got a spare. Isn't that nice? They think of everything there at Azdome. Okay, so here's the charger for it.
Oh,
probably.
That's
SD card is in there already.
I just peeled it off.
Looks pretty cool. You got a lens over the front. Take that off. Make sure.
This is for the rear, isn't it?
Yeah, I thought it was going to be remote, but apparently
It's hardwired.
it is hardwired.
And there's another for that.
Oh, to stick them on. I might just stick that on my rear window and
There's you.
call it George. Yeah, this is, I think, GPS thing or something.
Well, one's for the.
Electrostatic film near the top of the front of the windshield of the car. Please insert the SD card and the USB power cord to the device. Please stick the device into the dotted box. I'm not sure what that does. Maybe it's a clean surface for this to mount to. I don't know.
Could be.
Could be.
Okay, what all the hookups are. Okay, there they are. Looks like this one goes in the bottom right here for the back. And then this one is for the power, which will be coming out of the lighter to give it power.
Yeah, I think this would be great for someone that doesn't have rear camera and all that.
Oh yeah.
Shows it just snaking it from along the roof line all the way back to the back of the car.
Yeah.
My Jeep already has the rear camera.
For what? Oh, for backup?
Yeah, for backup purposes.
Okay.
But we'll look at it and see. I'll run it just to have it and see how it does.
But it's recording all the time. Somebody comes
that's the thing.
You got it on film.
It records both the front and rear all the time. So, and it's got the G-Force technology. I think that's what it's called. G sensor. So you're away. Your car's parked in parking lot, and somebody comes up to key your Tesla. Yeah. If they bump the car, then this is going to turn on and record them doing it. So
cool.
Teslas aren't known for technology, so that you probably need a camera for your Tesla.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll throw it in here and we'll see how it goes. What the heck is that? Alright, I just put some Prepple on the rag. I don't like a camera by my rear view mirror, but this forward-facing camera has all kinds of functionality. You could use it almost like a rear view mirror because it films behind you the whole time too. So I'm not gonna do that though. I want it over here out of my line of sight. Alright, peeling it back. Your electrostatic film. Try not to get all your fingerprints all over it. And I think I want this around there. So well, it's kind of like a cell phone thing. You stick it on, it wants to find its home. Not bad. Okay, power into that. Doot. We'll run that over to my little USB charger. We're gonna stick him up there. And this thing's got a really wide view, so normally I would sweat like positioning, but you kind of move it around, adjust the lens, so you can move that front lens around to point exactly where you want. And that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna drop the cord right through here, same as I did my last camera. Okay, plugged. That's not bad. I'm gonna like that. Oh, glove box. Yeah, that works. All right, first startup. Look at that. We gotta do a menu and set the date. I like that it swivels like that. That's pretty cool. Maybe I can take it off, get it to where I like it better. Nope, you're not taking it off once you get it on there. It's not touch screen. Oh, it does slide off. Sweet, even better. Okay, gotta format first. Formatted, successful. So it looks like you go through all your menu. Oh, it's shooting the trees. There's your back camera. So it's shooting the trees. There's my back camera's hooked up. There's to check the back camera. There's just forward, which that's all I'm gonna use is just forward on this. Looks like it is recording, has been recording for 33 seconds, and it says it's in 2K. You can probably change all that good stuff. Let's go to the G sensor. Let's
audio off. Audio on.
gotta turn my audio on. Recording cycle. Cycle recording, 5 minutes. There's your resolution. Here's your G sensor. It's set to middle of the road out of the box, so that's probably pretty decent. Lane departure warning. I'm leaving that off. Parking monitor. Collision detection. Time lapse mode, working time. I'm gonna do collision detection parking mode. Please make sure the device is something. Time lapse Wi-Fi, screensaver, fatigue driving, voice controls, voice activations, sound recording, keytones, volumes, rear mirror. Think I'm about through all the settings. Let's see what resolutions. So 2K or 1080p. I'm just doing 1080p. Okay, so I'm gonna call that good. So I like the look of it. It looks like it's pretty clear. Let's take a little drive around the block, see what happens here. Yeah, looks good. Okay, yeah, don't forget to take your stick and lens cover off. It'll probably appear much more clear. Yeah, look at that. Look how nice. Yeah, that's a beautiful thing. Take the stupid lens cover off. Golly, Clark, is this your first day? Yes, it is. Oh, that's pretty neat that I saw screensaver in there. I didn't know that the screensaver turned it to a blank screen. That's pretty good. I like that. And it's filming behind the whole time. Upside down, of course, because I didn't mount it right side up. And the red line goes to your reverse light. And in order to tell it that you're in reverse mode. Yeah. I love that it shuts off. I don't have to look at that thing. Oh, it wants to pair with my Bluetooth as well. So, device is unavailable. Oh, maybe that's trying to pair with my phone. That's probably what it is, because I left it in the garage. But yeah! M17 Pro! Little smart driving 3K HD Plus. Enjoy your smart driving. Dual recording, 3200 or 1800p. Built-in Wi-Fi. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna run it for a few weeks, and if anything's crazy, I'll update you and tell you later. All right, and that's it. So hope you enjoy the camera. It's worked out pretty good. I did some driving around, liked it a lot. There's lots of settings, tons and tons of settings, way more than the little cheapy $20 camera that I got. But this camera's inexpensive as well, and I think it's going to serve my purpose. The reason I started running a front camera, I mean, vehicles have front cameras all the time, but my Jeep does not. But I was in I was waiting to go out of an intersection in Fort Wayne at the mall, and there was a car waiting to turn left to like come into the mall in front of me, and then he was waiting until the light was like almost red and he was gonna go. A lady was like coming through, she T-boned him, and then they both slid into the front of my Jeep, and both of them had no insurance. So I didn't have a camera. They claimed that I had something to do with it, like I was part of the accident, and I'm like, yo, I'm sitting here in the intersection waiting my turn, and you guys wrecked and then flew into me. So I've always run a front camera since then, and this one is I think gonna work out really good. So if you want to see some more stuff from Clark's place, we have tons of videos on my 69 Charger that you saw in the opening thing with me and Pops. He's working on 2 Dodge Daytonas, and he just bought a 69 Torino. And then we've got Doug's Corner as well, who is always out here. He's working on his convertible 67 GT Mustang that he's making it into a Shelby. So pardon the rooster over there, but hope you liked, hope you subscribe, and go get yourself a camera. It's an awesome one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. All right, had it about a month. Been working great. it.